Here's a video of my 1991 Kawasaki 550 SX. It's for sale for $800. As you can see, it hasn't been registered since '05. I don't have the title, but I do have the registration and a bill of sale from the previous owner who owned it. This ski is in perfect shape. I recently cleaned out the fuel system, put a new battery in. Comes with a battery tender. The battery cost me $100. This battery tender was $50, so you can recharge it. As you can see, the motor compartment and everything is perfect. This ski was garaged almost its entire life, barely ever seen water. You got a little tiny mark here. You got to remember this ski's 20 years old. HydroTurf is still in great shape. It's fully stock. Let's see if we can't fire it up for you. I don't want to run it longer without any water going through it, but as you can see, it fires right up. So yeah, there it is. 1991 550 SX, $800, and it comes with this sweet carrier, as you can see. Very nice coloring, whoever the hell did that. No trailer, but it does come with this little carrier. Not too bad to get into it back of the truck and out. I could put it in by myself and take it out, but as far as putting it in the water by yourself, you may want a buddy. Thank you.